you. Here's your butcher box. Courtesy of Butcher Box.
So cute, honey, so cute.
Dad, it's cold outside.
I know.
I'm literally wearing like 3 layers. Why are you taking a video of the front yard? Oh, I locked the door.
I got it.
Okay. Goodbye, everybody.
Already? Wow. First delivery ever.
There.
Ready, babe?
Butcher box.
Butcher Box. It's the first time we are ordering, or we ordered from Butcher Box. So we're gonna see what's in it.
What's
I
in
know
it?
what's in it, but the quality is what we're looking for. We'll see if it's any good meat. Okay.
Try ice.
Yeah, probably. In there, huh? Ooh. So they had a promotion, right, Dad? Where they have a free 7 or 6 to 10 pounds of meat, which include this. We're gonna go over with the free ones first. This is the chicken thighs. Is it with bones? It doesn't say, huh? It doesn't say. It just says organic chicken thighs. So that's 1 pound supposedly per. So let's do 3 pounds. And then the pork. Raised by U.S. family farmers committed to sustainable and humane practices. No antibiotic ever, or hormones ever.
Ever?
Gluten free. How's that? Looks good. And I think it came with the ground beef too. That's these all these meat are free.
So how much is it total?
And these are the ones that we got. What is this one? Grass-fed beef top sirloin cap. I never bought that in the grocery store, so I don't know what to expect. And then grass-fed beef boneless chuck roast. Okay. That'll be good for like stew or beef steak maybe. And then these are grass-fed beef strip loin steak. Same with this one. Oh, okay. We have 4 of those.
Nice.
And oh, this is another free one. And then we just have filet mignon.
Yes.
Grass-fed beef filet mignon steak. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. They ran out of ribeyes, so we just bought what they have. That's it. They're still frozen. So I think I'm happy. All of this is for $149 for this quality meat, and supposedly they're grass-fed and grass-finished, which is hard to find in the grocery, even at Whole Foods. So we'll try it. You can always cancel. So hopefully we like it. So far it looks good. Okay, that's our Butcher Box unboxing.